Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. This is an A2 level reading video. We're going to be reading and answering questions about an article on making vacation plans. Alright, Eve and Simon are making plans. Where do they want to go? So in your opinion, what kind of place do you think they would travel to? When you travel, do you think about the weather and what climate do you prefer? Warm, tropical, cool, or hot and dry? And how important is the weather when you make plans for a vacation? So, what do you think about these statements? Do you agree or disagree? I always plan to visit a warm place because I need to get away from the cold winter in my country. I don't care where I go, but I do care where I stay. I always stay in comfortable five-star accommodations. I travel with good friends. A vacation is great if you travel with people you like. And I like to do activities on vacation. I cannot understand people who sit on a beach all day. So which of those do you agree with and which do you disagree with? So now put these in order of importance. What do you think is the most important thing when you're planning a vacation down to the least important? Is it cost, distance from home, weather and climate, vacation activities, the people traveling with you, or the accommodations? So rate those from 1 to 6, 1 being the most important, 6 being the least. All right, so what type of person would probably take a vacation in each of these places and why? And who wouldn't travel to these places? Again, these are just your opinions. Think about that, maybe write down a few answers, and then you can restart the video to continue. All right, so here's some vocabulary words. Whole means all of or entire. Teenager is a person between 13 and 19 years old. So we're going to read about Darren and Allison, who are from Perth, Australia. This is also a picture of snowboarding. Our whole family enjoys winter sports. My wife and I love skiing, and our 2 teenagers love snowboarding. This year, we're going to visit Hokkaido, Japan for 2 weeks. The weather in Perth, Australia is really hot in December because it's the middle of summer. However, in Japan, it is one of the best times of year for snow, so we are going to escape from the heat. All right, so answer these questions about the text. What 2 activities uh, does the family enjoy? How old are Darren and Allison's children? How long will their vacation be? In which month of the year will they go on vacation? And what does the family want to escape from? So you can pause the video and answer those, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. Well, the 2 activities that the family enjoys are skiing and snowboarding. Darren and Allison's children are teenagers. Their vacation is going to be 2 weeks. They're going to travel in the month of December, and they want to escape the heat in Australia. Right, here are a few more vocabulary words. Group of something, a number or collection of something. Main is the largest or most important. And these are people scuba diving from a dive boat. So Irene and Eugenio from Madrid, Spain. In December, it's winter in Spain. The weather is often cold and gray, so we usually go on vacation at this time. This year we are going to the Maldives, which is a group of beautiful islands in the Indian Ocean. The weather is usually hot and sunny. We are going to fly from Madrid to the main island. male. But we're not going to stay at a hotel. We both love scuba diving and we're going to spend our 10-day vacation on a dive boat. Okay, according to the text, are these statements true or false? It is often cloudy in Spain in December. Irene and Eugenio usually go on vacation in the summer. The Maldives are a group of islands in the Pacific Ocean. Irene and Eugenio are going to take a flight from Male to Madrid, and they are going to spend the week scuba diving. So again, you can pause the video, think about those for a few moments, write down your answers, and then recheck or restart when you're ready to check your answers. Okay, often cloudy in Spain in December, that's true. Irene and Eugenio usually go on vacation in the summer, that's false, they go in the winter. The Maldives are a group of islands in the Pacific Ocean, that's false, they're in the Indian Ocean. Irene and Eugenio are going to take a flight to Mali from Madrid, that's true. And they're going to spend a week scuba diving. That's false. It's not a week. They're going to spend 10 days on the dive boat. All right, here are a few more vocabulary words. Retired means stopped working. Spend, to pass time in a place or in a way. Directly is without stopping. Coast, the part of the land near the ocean. So now we're going to read about Valerie and Jim from Toronto, Canada. Winters in Canada are very cold and we often have a lot of snow. Now that we're retired, we usually spend the coldest part of the winter in Mexico. This year, we're going to fly directly from Toronto to a place called Playa del Carmen on the Gulf Coast. We're going to stay for 3 months from November until February. We're going to enjoy the warm weather and the wonderful Mexican food. Alright, so now complete the table based on the information that was presented in the entire text. And some of the information is already given. So going on vacation in winter, Irene and Eugenio and Valerie and Jim said yes to that. So go ahead and try the rest of these and then restart the video when you're ready to check your answers. Okay, so going on vacation to a warm place, that was Irene and Eugenio and Valerie and Jim. Traveling for longer than a month, that was only Valerie and Jim. And it mentioned sports activities, Darren and Allison, and Irene and Eugenio. So read the questions and all 4 answer options. Check each answer option carefully before giving your answer. According to the text, what is true about all the people? They are going to fly from their home to town to their vacation destination. They're going to take a vacation in a place where the weather is different than at home. They are going to travel with their children, and they are going to spend their vacation on an island. So what's true about all of the people? So letter B, they're going to take a vacation in a place where the weather is different than at home. That's true for all of the people that we read about. All right, so make plans for a vacation to one of these places, either British Columbia, Canada, or Torres del Paine in Chile. And then think about how are you going to get to your destination? Who are you going with? How long are you going to stay? And which activities are you going to do? So pick one of these places and then answer those questions about it. All right, so these are some other ideas if you're ever talking to someone about their vacation plans, questions that you can ask them. How are you going to get to your destination? Who are you going with? How long are you going to stay? And what activities are you going to do? So those are just some good questions to have handy when you're, talking to a person who says that they're planning to go on vacation. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, and share, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye.